this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be playing with some sandals. I call them flip-flops, but they are sandals. I have got the purple and black ones. They are two-tone. They are $8.99 on SheModern.com. I have got my flexi hand here with some beautiful, beautiful pink polish. It is a pure ice. Beautiful, beautiful color. Let me slide her off to the side here. This is a beautiful, I wish I could describe this to you, but it is really beautiful. It is called Free Fall. There we go, by Pure Ice. Check this out if you get the chance. Definitely something you might want to wear this spring or summer. Beautiful, beautiful color. I have off to the side my palette with 4 sandals already cut up. Got my trusty SheModern water bottle. And I am going to soak my sandals so we can get this started. Whoops. I've got one that wants to flip over on me. Excuse the sniffling, I got a little bit of a cold going on. It's that time of the year between seasons here. Spring is in the air and I come down with a cold. Not the first time though, probably won't be the last. Today I'm going to be putting these on with the stamper instead of my Lucky Tweezers. So I'm going to scoot this off over there. Let that sit for 10-15 seconds. As everybody knows, I got my flexi hand for my birthday this year from 2 very beautiful women. And I greatly appreciate that and all the gifts and well wishes that I received this year. I was just so beyond touched. But that was another video. Also on these, in the sandal in the center here, whoops, I think I'm going to be putting one of these blackish blue, purpley little stones here. I'm going to be putting one of those in the center. I'm going to see how that goes and figure it out as I go along. Some of ours are ready to go. There we go. See it on the stamper. Take a tissue. Dab off the water. What I'm going to do, this makes it easier on me, I'm going to be taking a sticky base by ProFX. You can use glue gel. You can use the SheModern products that she made for items like the stencils and the decals and everything. You can use foil glue. You can go without. You could just, go with the water on there. And that's usually how I do. Today I'm going to try this out. See how well it works with the decals. See if it helps them stick any better. And who knows, maybe I'll have a new thing going here for me. But we're going to be applying 2 decals on the index and 2 on the ring finger. Whoops. I don't know how long is this going to take to dry. Shouldn't take this long. There we go. It is sticky. There we go. We got 1 sandal so far. I like to call them flip-flops. That's what they remind me of, are flip-flops. Pick up our next sandal, dab the water, find out where on the nail you're going to place it. Ooh. Dab that down. That looks really cute. We're going to do the same thing on the ring finger, or try to. See if our decals are ready to part, and they are. This does make it a lot easier if you are using a sticky base coat of some sort. There we go. Pick your next one up. Dab the water. You do the same thing if you're doing some reverse stamping. Pick them up, color the back end, or color, pick them up, dab the water, color them in, let them somewhat dry, and place on the nail. And there we go. What do you think? I think that looks really cute. Really cute. Go in different directions. I'm going to top these off with a Born Pretty water-based top coat, which is what you want to use with a lot of the, especially the hollows. You got to use this for the hollows. I found out at Christmas time some of the reds you're going to want to use this with because they might bleed. Cap your nail. But I figure I like to use this because, just in case. I don't want to find out that the color's bled. It keeps them safe. Clean up your palette when you're done with your tissue and you're ready for your next project. These come in so handy for so many things with nail art, doing your nails. It's just even doing other projects. Super handy. Super handy. So if you ever come across one from SheModern, it's been a while since I've ordered a pigment, and that's what they used to come with. And I do have a pigment on the way right now, a set of 2 neons and 2 hollows. Maybe it was 2 glows and 2 hollows. Oh, I can't remember what I ordered. I should be getting those. Let's see, today's Saturday. I should be getting those on like Monday or Tuesday in the mail. So next Saturday, hopefully, we'll be featuring whatever I get. I can't remember everything I've ordered. So tell me what you think of the sandals and this really beautiful pink nail polish. See, I got my sidewall footed here. So that's not good. I'm going to be topping these off with some Pro FX Quick Drying Top Coat. As everybody knows, Walmart has quit carrying this for some unknown reason. And it really bites. Whoops. Cap the end of your nail. These turned out really beautiful. I already capped it, did the other nails, topped them off, capped the end of their nails. Whoa. Talk about hitting the camera. I bet your heads all just spun. I am terribly sorry. That was, wow. When I hit the camera, I really hit the camera, huh, folks? If anybody got a headache from that, like Princess D, sorry about that. Whoops. So here we go. This is our SheModern Saturday featuring the purple and black sandals. I think these are really pretty, ladies. Check them out. Check out SheModern.com. There's no sale currently going on. So you're paying full price for whatever you get. Got great products on the site. Great products. But always keep your eye out for a sale. She has great sales when she does. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the product. The nail, color of the nail. Just let me know what you think. Also, let me comment if you're the first time here. Let me know, I'd like to see who's coming through for the first time. Please subscribe and click that bell. That way you're notified of all future videos. I greatly appreciate your presence here. And as always, have a blessed day.